Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to blur text in Photoshop step by step. First of all, open your text file or image file with text, then create a new file, create a new layer, type tool, right click on your mouse, horizontal type tool, choose text color, example use text color blue, then click anywhere, type anything, text blur, double click the text size, again press Ctrl T, hold shift, resize, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object to this text layer, go to filter tab, blur, Gaussian blur and radius pixels. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.